So if you go into the kitchen here at Abhayagiri, you'll notice that it's very, very clean and well organized, and it's a very pleasant place to be. But if you go to the refrigerator and you were to pull the refrigerator away from the wall and look behind the refrigerator, you likely would find all kinds of very unpleasant things back there. A lot of dirt and hair and dead insects and things that have accumulated over time. And the only reason that the rest of the kitchen doesn't look like that is because we clean it every day. So that's a really great Dhamma simile. Every things in the world, when we let them follow their nature, they tend to become dirty and disorganized. It tends to be the nature of the world, nature of the natural world. And it's very much the same with our minds as well. When we allow our minds to just follow their nature and follow their moods, emotions, desires, preferences, over time, the mind just tends to accumulate all kinds of unpleasant emotions and mental states. It tends to accumulate all kinds of mental states that agitate the mind and that make the mind a very unpleasant place to live. So our practice is very much like cleaning the kitchen, changing its nature to be dirty and putting forth constant effort to transform the kitchen into a clean and well-organized place. It's the exact same with our mind. And putting forth constant effort to clean the unwholesome mental states of greed, hatred, and delusion, which are always arising in our minds, making the mind clean and well organized, so that eventually, in the course of our practice, we will be able to make the mind into a very pleasant place to live. We'll be able to transform it from a place that is dark and unpleasant, a place of unhappiness and dis-ease, to a place of real peace, happiness, and well-being. So I'll offer that for reflection.